TikTok, you still buying this cheese from the store? Nah, we don't need that. We make homemade cheese with only 2 ingredients. Take a gallon of milk, pour it into your pot, high flame, and bring it to a boil. All right, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but the milk is now boiling, so I'm gonna pour in some vinegar. You can also use lemon juice and mix it right away. Look at this. In literally seconds, it turns into this cheese. Once it's drained, I put it on a plate like this, put another plate on top, and I place it in the fridge with some heavy things on top, so it presses it down and turns into a nice cheese.
Okay guys, so here's our pan. This is the magic pan that's gonna make our magic cheese. Let's make some magic happen. And it's alive! Let me grab our gallon of milk, pour that in there. Oh baby! So now we have to wait for this bad boy to boil. Okay guys, it looks like things are starting to heat up. Pretty boiled. Now we're gonna go ahead and add our vinegar. All I have is apple cider vinegar. I asked all my roommates and none of them had regular vinegar. This was the only kind they had, so there we go. They didn't even say how much to add into this. So I'm just hoping that I put the correct amount. And then they said to mix it, and then the cheese curds should just, oh my god. Whoa! It like instantly made cheese! This is so cool. And now we have to strain this bad boy. Turn that off. Oh my gosh. I gotta be really careful. I'm gonna skim it up, put it in there. Ugh, it smells like vinegar. I hate the smell of vinegar. Okay, so now that this is nice and drained, I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze out the extra moisture actually. He said just to plop it on a plate. Just like that. I'm gonna get a spoon to kind of help make it more cheese-like. Kind of squish it all together. I really hope this doesn't turn out bad because I used apple cider vinegar instead. I'm gonna go ahead and get another plate and just put it on top. Now I just throw this in the fridge for a little bit and we'll see how it turns out. Okay guys, so I let the cheese sit for a little bit. Let's see how it looks. Whoa! That's real mozzarella cheese. Okay, let's try this. Oh wow, this looks great. It doesn't smell too bad either, considering I made it with apple cider vinegar. Dang, I didn't know that you could make cheese that easy. I feel like it's not gonna taste very good. Well, let's hope I don't puke. I don't know how I feel about this. You can definitely taste that it was made with apple cider vinegar. Not really a big fan of vinegar, but I guess it's pretty freaking close to cheese. So I'm gonna go ahead and say that this one kind of works.